Hi everyone, welcome to Basic Funda. In today's video, we will see how we can create a polymorphic lookup or a multi-table lookup field using XRM Toolbox. So in my previous video, I have showed you how we can create it using a Web API call or a Postman call, but recently it has been added into the XRM Toolbox. So in today's video, we will see how we can do it via XRM Toolbox. So currently, if you see, whenever we create a lookup field, it usually points to a single entity. But with this feature, we will be able to point lookup to two entities. So I'm having an entity which is called issue. So in this example, what we are going to do is we will create a lookup field onto the issue entity. This will be a polymorphic lookup which will point to brand entity and the service request entity. So let's go to XRM Toolbox. Here, if you see, it is showing that this feature is currently in preview. So the general availability will be mostly in September, but currently this is in preview mode. So first step is we need to select the solution. So I have created a solution, and in that solution only I have to create this field. So if you see, the schema name is basic underscore because this solution I'm using that publisher. Now if you see the default solution, so it will be new. So always remember to select the correct solution to choose the right publisher, and then the next field is referencing table. So this will be the entity on which I have to create my lookup, polymorphic lookup. So we are going to do it onto the issue entity. So let me select the issue entity. Now here there is the one option, that is this. I want to create a new polymorphic lookup, so I will choose this. So this option will be enabled. Now select your reference tables. So as I said, this issue entity will point to brand and service request. So let me search for both. So I will select brand entity. Yeah. So first of all, we need to provide the display name. So let's give the name as brand and service request. So this will be my new field, display name and schema name. So let me correct it. Request ID. So first of all, we have to provide the name, and now I can select the fields, sorry, tables. So brand and second is service. So we are good. Let's click on create polymorphic lookup. It will take some time. So basically it is going to create two relationships with brand entity and the service request entity. And it is also possible to choose more than two entities. So in this example, I'm just selecting two entities, but you can also select more than two entities. Yes, so it is saying polymorphic lookup has been created and added to the solution. So I'll click on OK. It is just loading the metadata, but let's go to the solution and see. So this is a new field that gets created. So if you see, this is also a data type of lookup, but now it is pointing to two entities. So let's go and check the behavior. So as of now, what I'll do is I'll put it onto the form. So on the issue form, this is the new lookup which we have created. I'm adding it onto the form. Let's save and publish it so that we'll be able to see how it looks. Okay, it got published. Let's go. Let's refresh it. So this is a custom entity that I have created. you. So this is the lookup, and if you see, it is pointing to brand and service request. And if I have two records, so that's why it is showing two records. If I select brand, so it will show me all the brand records. If I select service request, so it will show me all the service request records. So at any point of time I can change the view. So now it will show me two entities. If you will add more than two entities, then it will show the other entities as well. So you can always change the view from here. So this is how we can create a multi-table lookup field using XRM Toolbox. And I will leave the link for my previous video that was related to the Postman, how we have created. So you will also get a deep idea like how it works, how the relationship gets created. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.